What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be assembling, installing, and hopefully testing out a Kolphin snowplow that I got for my Polaris 450 here. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so here's the box. It says it assembles in under an hour, so we're going to see how that goes. The only reason I bought this was because they had it on sale at a store, so I figured I was going to buy a used one, but this one was the same price. So I was like, might as well have a new one. But they really secured the box. It's pretty heavy too. I don't know what it weighs, but it's pretty heavy. Instructions. Let's see what's in this box. All the hardware we're going to need. I'm assuming that's how it goes. I mean, it looks right. It's pretty good size. Something's happening. We got that put together. Let me see what's next. And there's no direction to them, I don't think. So, this side doesn't line up as nice. I'll start over here. Alright, so I figured out what was wrong. There's this piece, and if you're doing the 60-inch wide, there'll be a gap here, so this locks right in there. I'll show you guys later on in the video, but I knew because the cutting edges wouldn't line up, so there's just that little piece slides from the top and to there to keep the spacing even, and now it looks right now. So the next thing I need is the pivoting plate, which is this guy, I think. Okay, so it's a little bit tight fit to get in. Make sure you have these bolts loose or else it's not going to fit in there after. And then the bolts we need for that are number 39, and the nut for that is 36. So I gotta tighten this after still, but I don't feel like doing it right now. basically, I'm just gonna go like this. Which are like the main support things, so I'm gonna guess that they go this way, like that, and okay, so I got this all set up. It works good now. The pivot works. All we have left to do is figure out this mounting part thing, and then we should be almost done. All right, so this is the next piece here. It just goes like this. Simple enough. We use bolts 25. And then the 38 washers. And I see what they did. The way they have it is, so this is how the plow is going to be. The rest is going to be underneath the machine from what I can see. One of the parts is this. Or maybe that's the only part. And then the other two are right here. And they go like this. I'm gonna get them started, hand started, and then show you guys. It goes like this. All right. So you're just gonna want to leave it like this because I'm assuming it's machine dependent on how it goes. So whenever you bolt it, it's gonna go on top of the frame, and then you're gonna drive up, and then there's 2 pins. So I'm gonna get my machine in here, and then we're gonna try and hook this thing up to the machine. Well, guys, as you can see, the plow's on. I didn't get to show too well of what I did on the underneath because it was really hard to do. So it depends on what you have, like what machine. The mounting plate's completely different. And so for me, I'm gonna try. I only have 2 clamps on right now because that's all that work. I'm gonna try it. Worst case, I might have to fab something up. Just like keep it in a better spot, but for now this is working, and I'll let you guys know if something happens to it. So what I like about this is I don't have to unbolt those U-bolts. There's just one of these pins on each side that come off, and that's what pivots it. Just hook this up in that little spot right there. And on the machine, I don't have the factory winch installed yet. It'll be in a different video. So for now, I just got this switch here so that way I can press the brakes and still press the button. First, I had some problems with the winch rubbing on this, so I had to move the whole plow forward. But now that I got that done, it doesn't hit. So it does weigh down the four-wheeler like crazy, but we don't have any snow outside, as you guys can see. Literally everywhere around us there's 4 snow, and here we got grass. Well, guys, it ended up snowing hopefully we get snow one day 2 days later, and I wasn't really ready, so I didn't record enough to make a whole video, so I figured that I would just incorporate it into this one. So as you can see, I think the plow works pretty good. At this point, the snow is already starting to melt again, so it was getting pretty heavy and thick, and it held up just fine. Towards the end, you can see the piles get pretty big, and it seems to work just fine. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below on how it works. So guys, that's gonna end today's video, I guess. I also have some more videos coming. The brakes for my truck just came in, so I'll be doing a video on that. And subscribe so you get the notifications. Also, be sure to leave a like down below if you like the video so I can keep making more videos like this. And also leave a comment. Let me know what kind of videos that you guys like to see. That way I can make them for you guys. But yeah, other than that, guys, that's going to today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.